everyone and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today I want to show you a very common issue that occurs when you buy an Arduino Mini. If the board does not have a bootloader installed, it cannot communicate with your computer and you will get an upload error. Often you might think the board is defective, broken or burnt out, but in reality it is simply missing the bootloader. Today we will see how to fix this problem by using another Arduino as a programmer. It is a very simple process but extremely useful for your projects. Let's get started. As you have seen, a communication error appears. Now we are going to set up the connections between the two Arduinos to flash the bootloader. We will be using an Arduino Uno and some jumper wires. However, you can use any type of Arduino as a programmer, the Uno, Nano, Mini or Mega. Just use whatever you have available. The connections are very simple: GND to GND, 5 volts to 5 volts, pin 10 to the resp pin, pin 11 to 11, 12 to 12 and 13 to 13. You will see the wiring diagram on the screen and you can also find the details in the video description. Now let's move to the PC and connect the Arduino Uno, which will act as our programmer for the Arduino Mini. Once the Arduino IDE is open, we need to follow 3 essential steps. First, go to File, Examples, and load the sketch-named Arduino ISP onto your Uno board. Upload it just like a regular program. Second, go to the Tools menu, select Board, and choose Arduino Pro or Pro Mini. Make sure to select the correct processor for your model, usually the Atmega 328P. Third, and this is the most important part, in the Tools menu, go to Programmer and select Arduino as ISP. Now we are ready. Click on Burn Bootloader. You will see the LEDs flashing for a few seconds. Once the success message appears, your Arduino Mini is finally ready to be programmed. As you have seen, it was very simple. Now let's do a practical test. We will try to upload test code to the Arduino Mini to verify that everything is working correctly. We will upload a simple sketch like the blink example. As you can see, our Arduino is now communicating with the computer without any problems or errors. It was a quick process and it is a fundamental skill for any maker to have. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, remember to subscribe to the R&M LAB GH channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.